So I've been studying methane hydrate, which is frozen gas and water that exists under the ocean. Some people call this fire ice. It looks like, bits of it look like marshmallow, but it's quite incredible. You can actually burn this. You can light ice, producing a flame and producing water, of course. The problem is, as you warm the ocean, this can melt, releasing the methane into the ocean, where it can cause acidification, or at worst, releasing the methane into the atmosphere. People used to think that the only part of the methane, the hydrate they needed to worry about, was located at about 500 meters water depth. What people hadn't realized is that the methane hydrate located tens of kilometers seaward of that in the deep water, down at 1 or 2 kilometers depth, could also be vulnerable. The implication, of course, is quite tremendous. Methane is 25 times worse than CO2 as a greenhouse gas. Carbon that's trapped in hydrates is around 1,800 gigatons. The amount of carbon in fossil fuels is around 5,000 gigatons. So the amount of methane that's in methane hydrates is huge, absolutely huge. There's evidence that some of this methane has been liberated due to past climate warming and has moved all the way from the deep ocean up towards the shelf, where it's liberated via some huge craters. So the big implication is the volume of methane hydrate that is susceptible to climate change is much bigger than we originally thought. Ultimately, we fundamentally need to understand how much of a role methane from methane hydrate could have in future climate change.